At number 1, we have the Segway Ninebot Max G30. This is the commuter scooter that has it all. Reliability, range, and modern features, perfectly blended for daily use. With a powerful motor and an impressive 50-mile range, say goodbye to range anxiety on your longest commutes. Self-sealing tires handle urban debris effortlessly, so you can keep moving without worry. Plus, Apple Find. My integration provides excellent security for your investment. Ride with confidence day or night, thanks to its bright LED lights and durable water-resistant build. It's no wonder it's one of Amazon's most trusted premium options. The Segway Ninebot Max G3 is the real deal.
At number 2, we have the Kukirin G4 electric scooter. Packing a 2000W dual motor setup, it rockets to a blistering 43 Mayshi. It's built for thrill seekers, conquering 30-degree slopes and supporting a max load of 264 lbs. With a massive battery, enjoy an incredible 47 miles of range on a single charge. Tackle any terrain with 11-inch off-road tires and heavy-duty suspension. Professional-grade dust and water resistance mean the adventure never stops. Rain or shine, stay in control with the LED smart display and ride in style with ambient lighting. This isn't just a scooter, it's a statement. The Kukirin G4. Unleash your inner rider.
At number 3, we have the Segway Ninebot F3 electric scooter. Engineered for the city, it turns every commute into a thrill ride. Glide over rough pavement and potholes with advanced suspension and self-sealing tires. Unleash 1000 W of peak power reaching 20-minute punch with a 44-mile range to conquer your city. Stay connected with smart navigation on the bright TFT display and never lose your ride with Apple Find My integration. See and be seen with an intelligent lighting system that auto-adjusts from dawn to dusk. Experience ergonomic ease and superior grip with the advanced traction control system, and when the ride's over, the compact foldable design fits anywhere. A Segway Ninebot F3, the choice of riders worldwide. Refine your ride.
At number 4, we have the iScooter iX4. This beast delivers with an 800W motor hitting 25 vertici pass. With 10-inch off-road tires and quadruple shock absorbers, it conquers any trail. Adjustable handlebars and safety lights make it perfect for any rider, anywhere. Foldable and affordable, it's no wonder it's a top seller. That's the iScooter iX4.
At number 5, we have the Niu K3 Max. It bridges commuter and off-roader needs with its incredible all-terrain suspension and a robust motor that conquers 25% inclines. Go up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, handling parks, curbs, and any mixed terrain comfortably. With a sturdy build and top-tier safety features, it's the versatile choice for any unpredictable route. High ratings and sales reflect its unbeatable balance of performance, comfort, and durability. The Niu K3 Max